Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So today's topic is genders. As we all know, nouns can be classified into 4 different types of genders. For example, let's see the first one. Masculine gender, it covers the male things, refers to the male beings. Second one is the female gender, that refers to the female beings. Third type of gender is the common gender. It is a common gender which refers to both male and female. Then the fourth and the last gender is the neuter gender, which refers to the non-living things or the objects. Now let's see the first one with its definition and with its examples. What's its definition? Refers to nouns that indicates male person or animals. They are the male. For example, man, male, boy, father, lion, actor, etc. Let's see in a sentence. The king rules the kingdom. Second type of gender is the feminine gender. What does it mean? It refers to the noun that indicates the female part, that indicates the female persons or animals. For example, woman, girl, mother, queen, lioness, actress, princess, etc. Example in a sentence way, the queen, this is a gender, the queen with gender, feminine gender, wore a beautiful dress. Third type of gender is the common gender. This is the common gender. These nouns refers to the both male and the female part. Like for example, teachers, doctors, child, friend, student, cousin, baby. These are the examples. For example, in a sentence wise, the doctor is treating a patient. Now we don't know, doctor can be a male or a female also. Same way, teacher can also be a male, also be a female. Child can be a baby boy or a baby girl, can be a both. Your friend can be also maybe a boy or maybe a girl. Same way as in the student also. So this is the common gender, that is common from both male and female. Last and the fourth type of gender is the neuter gender. What does it mean? It refers to the non-living things or objects which do not breathe. That is non-living things, I suppose. Yes, that do not have a specific gender. They do not have a specific gender like chair, table, book, computer, tree, water, mountains. They do not have a specific gender. So that is a neuter gender. For example, the book is on the table. Now the book is a neuter gender. So this was all for the genders. If you like this educative, please like, share and subscribe my channel.